Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix unable to change Google Map language, how to change it. If you are unable to change the Google Maps language, here is the fix. For iPhone users, go to settings, scroll down and find general option. Tap on general, then go to language and region. Make sure your preferred language is set as iPhone language. If it's not, add your preferred language here. If your iPhone language is set correctly but Google Maps shows a different language, example Japanese or Chinese, follow this step. Reinstall the app. Long press on Google Map app and delete it. Go to App Store and search for Google Maps. Reinstall the app. This should fix the language issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.